Welcome to our interior design tutorial on decorating a small bathroom. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of your space using key components and design techniques. Let's get started. Before you begin, plan your bathroom decor. Measure your space, set a budget, and choose a color scheme that suits your style. Start with the flooring. Opt for light-colored, moisture-resistant tiles. These brighten the space and are easy to clean. Choose a compact vanity and sink combo. Wall-mounted options save space and provide a modern look. Install a large mirror to reflect light and make the room seem bigger. Add wall-mounted lighting fixtures for a well-lit atmosphere. Select a space-saving toilet and consider adding a medicine cabinet for extra storage. Hooks and towel bars are handy for towels. For a small bathroom, a walk-in shower with a glass door creates an open feel. If you have room, a compact bathtub can be a luxurious addition. If you prefer a curtain, choose a light-colored shower curtain. This will maintain an open and airy atmosphere. Maximize storage with floating shelves and a slim storage cabinet. Use them for towels, toiletries, and decor. Consider a built-in shelving niche in the shower area for shampoo and soap. Add small decor elements like plants or artwork. If possible, include a small window for natural light and ventilation. Don't forget to install an exhaust fan for proper ventilation. Choose space-saving, wall-mounted faucet fixtures for a sleek look. Finally, add decorative accents to personalize the space. And there you have it. With careful planning and the right components, you can transform your small bathroom into a stylish and functional oasis. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!